God's with Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous. Caution, show you the cup of 4. 4. Surprised there's not a big number for that. Taste is heavy, square, and unmoving. Like drinking a foundation that's too strong. The corners of my vision harden, sharp and unyielding, framing me into something rigid. Interesting. Oh. Well, hello. This is called a mirrored skull, which... Now I see that because the fucking bones are cheeks. On the flesh side. Just anatomically, how the fuck does this work? Anyways, that is the cup of 4. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.